Good morning, student. Welcome to Maha EMRS e-learning project. Myself, Varun Suresh Mukherjee. I am PGT Mathematics from Eklavya Model Residential School, Aheri. Today, I am going to teach you the topic Class 10 CBSE Unit Triangle, and the subtopic is Area of Similar Triangle. In this unit, we have to learn the theorem. The theorem is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. It is given that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Is the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Okay, in last lecture we learned the two triangles are similar, then its corresponding sides are in the ratios, and its triangle is also in ratio. So in this theorem it is given that first one is given, we know that it is given the area of two similar triangles. That means it is given that the two triangles are similar. So first we have to draw two diagrams. First diagram, triangle ABC, and second triangle is triangle PQR. It is given that the two triangles are similar, so we have to write here given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now construction, we draw the line AB perpendicular to line BC. Draw AD perpendicular to BC and draw line PS perpendicular to QR. Now we have to prove the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. That means areas of capital A, or we have to write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Again we have to write it as AR, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. So we know that in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, the corresponding sides of AB is PQ. Therefore we have to write side AB upon side PQ and square of that ratio is equal to, again second side, the side BC, its corresponding side is equal to the QR. Therefore the side BC upon QR bracket square equal to third side AC upon PR bracket square. So now we have to see its proof. So now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, it is given that the two triangles are similar. So first term we have to write here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given. Now we know that if two triangles are similar, then their sides are in the ratio. So we have to write AB upon PQ. Again, second corresponding side BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR by theorem or by criterion. Equation number 1. Now we want the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. We know that the area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. So first area of triangle ABC, that is equal to 1/2 into base of that triangle ABC BC into height AD. Again area of triangle PQR, that is equal to again 1/2 into base of that triangle QR into height PS. Now we want the ratio of that two triangles. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So we get, putting these two values in that ratio, then we get 1/2 into BC into AD upon 1/2 into QR into PS. Again 1/2 gets cancelled, then we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that is equal to BC upon QR AD upon PS. Equation number 2. Now again we want the ratio of their triangle, area of that triangle is equal to the AB upon PQ bracket square, that is square of the ratio of their corresponding side. But here we get BC upon QR and AD upon PS, both four terms are different. So now we take in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and in triangle PQ, yes, in both the triangle angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Again second one, angle D is equal to angle yes, because both are 90 degree. Now and two angles are similar, so we say that the triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS by angle criterion. So we again know that if two triangles are similar, so then its corresponding sides are in the ratio. So we have to write AB upon PQ, that is equal to AB upon PS. Now From equation number 1, now from equation number 1, we get AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, AC upon PR. Both are equal, so AB upon PS are also BC upon QR. From equation number 1, BC upon QR equal to AB upon PS. Again that is equal to AB upon PQ. Again equal to AC upon PR. So we have to write from equation number 2. From equation number 2. Put this value AD upon PS, that is equal to BC upon QR also, or AD upon PQ, or AC upon PR. From equation number 2, we have to write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that is equal to BC upon QR into, we know that AD upon PS, that is equal to BC upon QR also, AD upon PQR, AC upon PR. So we have to write here BC upon QR. So we get BC upon QR bracket square. So it is proved, because it is given that to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that is equal to AB upon PQ bracket square, or BC upon QR bracket square, or AC upon PR bracket square. So this is our last one. We have to write it also AB upon PQ bracket square equal to AC upon PR bracket square. This is our proof. Thank you.